Roger from Norway here. I will try Guns N' Roses' Sweet Child O' Mine. It's a 4-chord song. It's a G, played in the chord of G, standard tuning. It's the chord C, it's the chord F, and it's the D. I'll go slowly through the first verse and the chorus line and the next verse, which is slightly different, not much. And it's on the G. She's got a smile that seems to me. C reminds me of childhood memories. Onto the F, where everything was fresh as to the sea. Bright blue sky. Onto the G, the same chords. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. On the C, onto the F. If I stare too long, I'd probably break to the C, down and cry. And the chorus line is the 3 chords D, C, G. Oh, sweet child of mine. D, C, G. Oh, sweet love of mine. The second verse, I take it slowly. She's got eyes of the blue sky, live a spot of rain. G, C, and the difference here is F, C, F, C. I hate to look into those eyes, oh pain. F, C, F, C, G. Onto the G. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place, where as a child I hide on the sea. And F, C, F, C, G. Pray for the thunder and the rain to pass me by. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the strumming, and I'll try the song through. She's got a smile that seems to me, reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was fresh as the clear blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. If I stare too long, I'd probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. She's got eyes of the blue skies. If I spot a rain, I hate to look into those eyes, oh babe. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place, where as a child I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Good luck with this one.